All right, watching.
Super bounce time. Ta-da! I'm going to do that without putting my hands on the floor.
Okay.
I'm going to fly like the bird I always wanted to be.
Okay.
Ow! Ta-da! I'm going to do that again.
Okay.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Brilliant.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Whoa. Ta-da! Again?
Mm-hmm.
Buzz-arts! Don't fill my butt.
I wouldn't think of it.
One more pose.
Yeah.
Ow. Can we just tickle fight now?
Are you done?